Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today this one is for the green fans. I bought some new colours, a couple of greens, the phthalo green and the emerald green, and I've paired it with some of my other colours. And I'm going to do flip cups, 3 of them, and then swipe through some areas. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to fill my cups up first. Let's start with a little bit of white in each. And then I'm going to try a bit of green. Let's go a different colour in each. So that's the phthalo green. This is the emerald green. And this one here is a pearl mint green by Arteza. Let's go mint green here. And I'm just going to mix them up. It's a dirty pour. Okay, this is a bronze. It's a little bit thick and it's mixed with some of the pearl marmalade by Arteza. Just wanted to give it a little bit more of a reddy tinge because red goes well with green. Let's layer this one. I'll dirty pour these two and layer this one. I was going to dirty pour this one, wasn't I? Big blob of green. Right, I'll add a little bit more to this one. And then I've got a bit of extra colour to pour around the edge. Alright. Let's flip. Been a while since I've done a flip cup, so we'll see how it goes and just let them flow down. I've got lots of colour left here, the least of the light colours, but I've got quite a bit of the dark colours. I would like to leave a little bit of colour in these cups, or I might pour a bit in a cup and do some ribbons. We'll see how it looks. I've made up some fresh white mix as well. This is 1 part Amsterdam titanium white mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol. I haven't used any silicone. All right, let's see how these look. Okay. There's a lot of green. Is the green too strong? That's a bit lighter. That's good. I like that. Just breaking a few bits up with what's left in them in the cups. I really like that. I like this. Probably like this bit the least, so I probably want to keep most of this. Maybe I'll swipe through that bit. Meeting up. What I might like to do, so I quite like this phthalo green. So I'm gonna go phthalo green, copper. There's not any white left. A bit of white. And phthalo green. Let's pour that somewhere. Yeah, because I like that rich, deep colour there. All right. Let's swipe first. Where's my swipe mix? And then I'm going to make more of a decision, I think, on doing anything else. I think I'll go this way. That's pretty. What else do we want? Maybe through here. Just a small one. I'm just going to add a little bit of colour to drag through. Right. Yep. Maybe a little bit through there. Does this need a blend, or do we keep that thick? I don't mind that. Maybe we'll go this way. Just a small one. I want it to be dark. take. Ooh. Cool. Got a big block there in the middle. Do I want to run anything through there just to break it up, or do we want to keep it fairly straight? Because it's quite big. I'm wondering, where's my fork? That I might run the fork through. Definitely created something interesting. I think that's probably enough. Oh, maybe I could go through the base here. Just wet the edges a bit. Just taking a bit of this through because it's pretty. Don't know if any of it will survive. Let's tilt. I'm glad I got the darker spot here. All right. I'm going to try and keep some of this dark green though. Whoa. Bring this down. Just trying to decide here. Composition wise. I'll try again, moving this way. I think I might need to look at it from a few different angles. Nope. If I could bring that down further, That would be good, I think. I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result, and this one has everything. It's got lacing, which has come up with some really cool blends. Then we've got where the fork went through, another cool blend. Interesting down here. Then we've got some blocks of colour, just some big blocks. And then where the cup was flipped, we've got a blend of colours there and there and up there. And here's some more lacing down the bottom. So yeah, a bit of everything. I will bring you back when this is dry and we'll have a look at some different angles. Okay, here is the dry result, and we'll have a look at the lacing, and then we'll have a look at some different angles. So the blend through here is gorgeous. Got some mint pearl green spots here that are giving a bit of shine, and that is really cool. Some more lacing up the top here with some of the bronzy red colour popping through there. Some big blocks again. I love the deep dark green, the phthalo green through there, and a tiny little bit of lacing in this corner. But I don't know if you can see the shine through there. I'll show you some different angles. Okay, this is the second angle, the third angle. This way, this is popping out to me a bit more, I think. And this is the fourth angle. I don't think I like that one. I'm going to turn it back around. Yeah, so very green. I probably add a bit more, like a sort of, maybe like a titanium buff or something into it if I did it again. But yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.